Hello friends, today we'll write the basic cursive alphabets. As you can see, this is the 4.5 mm sheet and this is the angle made. Okay, and this is my number, a calling number and WhatsApp. Okay, and this is the angle made of 55 degrees. So how to write the basic cursive alphabet for the beginners who will write. For this you need the sheets and the angles to be perfect. Okay, I am writing the slant cursive and how to hold the pen or pencil. This one is the Yermel 50C fountain pen. Okay, this one is a fountain pen. I use and prefer the fountain pen because it gives a grip. It's a grip on the paper and the nib. But if you start with a ball pen or gel pen, this will not give you a grip on the paper and the nib, because the ball pen has a ball on the tip and it revolves and you will lose the grip when you write. Okay, for better performance use a pencil. Okay, extra dark pencil or one fountain pen. Okay, I am writing with a fountain pen, and as the small kids can't write with a fountain pen, I will start the video with the pencil. Okay, just follow it. In this script of English writing, there are two types of stroke. One is the basic up and the down stroke. Okay, and the slant curves, they come later on. Okay, let's start. This is up stroke, down stroke, up stroke, down stroke and up stroke. So I don't make a video with a pencil because you can't see it clearly, and that's why I'm writing it again much deeper way. You can see the lines. Now I'll write with this one. Start from here, up stroke, down stroke, up stroke, down stroke and up stroke. Maintain the angles perfectly. Now the B, start from here, up stroke, make it oval, down stroke, up stroke and like this. Follow the lines, it will not go just above the line. Follow the angle, this is the angle, you can see this angle really parallel. Okay, I am writing the B again for you. Up stroke. When you will just turn here, just follow this angle made here. Okay, like this. Write freehand, then it will be nice and perfect. You have to write it and practice it like this and this. Okay, so let's start with the C. C. Okay, it will start from here in the corner. Okay, it will be also in an angle. Now see the D, the down stroke, the up stroke and down stroke. Try to maintain the lines right between the lines. Sometimes it will go upwards like this. When you will just start, you can see this will go upward. The disbalance of hand will go like this. Okay, like this. But when you will start writing, then it will gradually be on your hand. Keep your eyes open, write slowly first and it will look like this. Okay, maintain the angles. You can see this is the angle and this is the angle, they will be parallel. Okay, the 55 degrees angle. Hope you can see it clearly. Okay, now we'll write the E. I'm zooming it out. Yeah, you see the E. We'll start right from here. it will also be on the 55-degree angles, like this. Okay, try one thing, just don't go out of the line, just don't go out of the line. Now I'm showing the F. We'll start from here. This one is the basic F, and a cut in the middle. This is the angle, and you can see this angle, they will be parallel. I again mention you that you have to maintain the angles while writing cursive. This is F. Write slowly, don't apply any type of pressure on your hand or this finger. Keep this finger in front of here and this thumb backwards, little bit of backwards. Okay, I'm writing it again, I'm zooming it out, you see. Okay, this one is the first style of F, and this one the second style. I'm zooming it out, you see. It will start right from here, upwards, oval shape, downwards, upwards, and like this. But in this F, you see, every gaps will be visible, like this. I'm writing it again, F. Okay, you see the gaps, every gap is visible and should be visible, so you can see it. And everything, this turnover or this turnover will be oval shaped, oval. Okay, not round, oval shaped. Okay, and lastly I will write the G for today. You can see the G, upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, and this way. Okay, I'm zooming it out. Okay, try to maintain the lines, don't go outside the line. Okay, like this. And this one is the second type of G. You can also write like this. This one take this one line. Okay, so you see how it looks, it's looking good. So practice it, and on the next video we'll meet with the next alphabets. And if you have any problems writing, you just consult me, and this is my number I am giving you. There is the number 8794931493. Okay, and it's for India, it's an Indian number. Okay, and if you want any online classes, you can just contact me. Okay, it will be one-to-one classes, I will show you. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit like if you like it. Thank you. Bye. Good night.